Okay guys, this video is going to be a little bit different than my regular videos. Typically we do cubing stuff. Today we're going to be doing just a tour of my setup of both my cubing desk and my actual desk. And let's get into it. This is actually requested by a few people. So here you go, few people. Zoop, zoop. Okay, this is my desk. First off, we're going to start with how I do my streams. So I use OBS Studio, and basically what it is you can add a display monitor. So this is the monitor that I do my streams on. And then what you do, if you want a face cam, you get a nice camera like this. This is about $400 or $500. I don't really know. It was gifted to me. So they could have lied. Maybe it's like $9. I don't know. You put this thing in here. And then it's on a big old tripod. You put this thing on the computer, except my computer's charging my Rubik's Cube, so we're not going to do that. But basically, you will get a result that looks something like this.
Oh, okay. What do you rank?
Okay, so I got a lot of wires all over the place right now. Let's just throw them on my bed. And let's not show this to the camera or any of that. Down here is where I print things. And I really don't have an impressive setup. Here I've got a wireless mic, and then here we've got a wired mic. These things came with the camera, and according to everyone else, they're pretty good. I haven't yet heard the audio from these. And then right here I have just a coin jar that has some rings in it. Alexa, can you tell everyone that they should subscribe to JS Cubing?
Announcing.
Subscribe to JS Cubing. Wait, I didn't know that was a thing you could do. Pow, and here we are with the cubing desk, or I guess this is more of a dresser. So here I got all my tools. I got some valuable cubes right here. These are all of my mains. I finally solved the 7x7. So we got 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 7, 5, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then we got a 1x1. Here's where I just keep all my n-by-n puzzles. We got a 9x9 right there. These are the offset variants, so they look like that. They look terrible. I don't recommend making them. A few megamixes, dodecahedral puzzles, tetrahedral puzzles, corner turning cubes, and didn't I used to have a ready cube? And then some 3x3 mods. These are this kind. I don't think I ever made a video on this puzzle. I've been meaning to do that for a while. It's like one of my coolest puzzles. I don't really know why this was requested. I'm not very good at making room tour videos, but if you do want a full room tour, I think that would be pretty cool to make. So, I mean, I don't know what people usually say in these videos. Like, do you say, oh yeah guys, drop a like for the next tour? Like, didn't I just tour my entire room? I don't know. I don't really know this type of content. Maybe I should start making it. I think a vlog channel would be cool. I've been meaning to make a vlog. I actually have a vlog that I made on Christmas Eve, and it's from Christmas shopping, but I never posted it because by the time that I actually had the time to post it, it was already New Year's. Anyway, this is a cubing channel. As always, remember to join the Patreon. There are courses available there, and I do exclusive giveaways on my Patreon as well. So if you want cubes or merch delivered to you for free, highly recommend joining the Patreon. Also, maybe check out another video. I know you enjoyed this one.